I miss seeing you, chanting and talking with you. I have been thinking about you every day and the desire to see you is getting stronger with each passing day. I know you are my other half, the one who makes my universe possible. When I lose you, I also lose. There are so many things I would like to express to you, and I feel deep regret for not doing it sooner. I have been working out and I have been looking after myself. I want to come to you as an evolved man, woman, someone you can confide in and trust again. Once I come to you, I will never leave you again. These separations has been hurtful, but they have been necessary. I promise you that we are going to fulfill our mission together. We are both ascending higher and clearing central karma, as well as the karma that humanity has created over centuries. Now that I am finally loving myself, I am able to love you right too. There's never been anyone else like you, and there will never be another. You have been my greatest weakness, but I was too scared to admit it, so I chose to deny and hide away. I want to merge with you. I never told you how much I love you. Give me the chance to do it in person. My yearning for you is making me work faster and harder on my plans in the physical so that I can come to you as a stable man, woman, and give us both the new beginning that we have been desiring since our last falling out. I don't like it when you argue or when we both get stubborn and in our egos, which is why I have taken so long to make sure that I have it all right this time around. I don't want to keep losing you. Every time we separate, it's like a piece of me separate from my own being, and I am left feeling lost, confused and empty. I want to look into your eyes and be completely vulnerable with you. No more lies, no more secrets, because your love gives me peace, makes me feel protected and valuable. We hope you are enjoying the content thus far. By subscribing below, you will gain access to all our latest videos and stay updated with our channel.